Okay, this is over lesson number 39, 16th rests. So if you haven't completed lesson number 38, don't go on to this video. So 16th rests have the exact same note value as 16th notes. So if you know that a 16th note splits a beat up into 4 different notes, 16th rest splits the beat up into 4 separate rests. So you will see it sometimes written like this. Draw a note. That was a wrong note. You'll see a little stem on that end, and then you'll see a rest added in here. So that would be, if we're saying this is beat 1, draw a 1 underneath there, and then you have a rest. So you have a rest. But if we drew 16th notes up here, above it for reference, just to remember what each beat is called, we have 1, E, and up. That rest is on which of those letters? It's on E. So we know that we need to skip that E, and the next one will be and then we have an up. So we have 1, and a 1, and a 1, and a 1. So that's that. Other places you'll see it are written out sometimes before. So I draw that, and then I can draw 3 16th notes. So that one using a reference would be beat 1, but it's on the rest. But you can put the 1 in parentheses, just for your reference. And then you have E and up. E and up, E and up, E and up, E and up. So that's how you would count that, E and up. The rest is on the beginning. That's usually where you'll see it. Sometimes you'll see it in a couple different places. They usually don't use it for any other bigger values other than that 1/16th note, but you will see it multiple things. Just remember that that rest is the exact same value as a 16th note, and so it takes up the exact as much space of a 16th note. The only difference is, like all rest, a 16th note is making sound, a 16th rest is not making sound for that amount of time. So just remember that, complete the student assignment for lesson number 39, and then go on to lesson 40 when you're done with that, and after that we'll have actually a string of videos that you'll watch because there's a couple lessons coming up.